What's the meaning of Alice band? Alice band. Alice band. Alice band. Alice band. Alice band.
An Alice band is a type of hair accessory. It usually consists of a flexible band covered in fabric, with a section raised up in the middle. The band is worn across the top of the head and over the hair. The raised section helps to keep the hair back and out of the face. The name Alice band originated from Lewis Carroll's character Alice in Wonderland, who is often depicted wearing a similar band in her hair. Today, Alice bands are a popular accessory for both casual and formal occasions.